Okay, I'm wrapping up the reorganizing. It's coming along. What's mine is yours. And why shouldn't it be? COVID was great for everybody. Truly it was. 2021, community development Truman. The link between community development efforts under the Point 4 program and subsequent tactics employed in the war on poverty is not a subject that I have encountered before. As you may know, a selection of library documents relating to Point 4 is available on our website, https://www.trumanlibrary.gov/library/point-4-4-program. A search of our website using the keywords community development. Oh, don't do to the Eisenhower. Oh, they had a huge plumbing problem. These are old places. Well, maybe they should get better pipes. A search of our website using the keywords community development in quotes turned up a few relevant photographs and possible files of interest in the papers of Francis Lincoln and Richard Patterson Jr. I'm going to put it on the thing. Here is a link to the finding aid. I know. He gave you some kind of movies. There's like Gray 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I attended the Gray webinar, the lawyer with Martin Luther King. Gray. I know you people. I heard about that. Gray. Yep. Because I'm going to get ready for the alien property. That's why I'm cleaning things up, you see? The printer's over there. For the alien property, foreign countries that own here. Here is a link to the finding aid for the Gordon Gray records of the Agency for International Development. Record Group 286. I do not know when our research room will reopen. COVID was great for me. They're all working from home. I apologize for the inconvenience. Please let me know if you have any further questions. Some people who were nice become, and people you don't know, customer service.